Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2024 Honda Accord Hybrid. The Accord Hybrid takes the excellence of the iconic Accord and injects it with eco-friendly hybrid technology. The result is a future-facing sedan that is ultra-efficient, as well as comfortable, elegant, and loaded with the latest safety and connectivity features. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: head-up display, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, power passenger seat, lane keeping assist, backup camera. Strong and stylish meets smooth and efficient in this future-focused Honda Accord Hybrid. Test drive it today.